This is FIMI X8 Mini, and today I'll show how you can perform the compass calibration on this drone. So in the beginning, launch the FIMI Navi Mini app, then enter device or open the camera view, launch settings, select this category, make sure that this category is selected, then scroll down, find the compass calibration line and press calibrate button. Now follow the instructions that will be shown on the screen. First of them is to take drone and keep it about 1 meter away from the ground. Then make sure that there are no interference, of course, and now rotate it like it is shown on this little manual here, or guide rather. Rotate it until the light will turn from green to red. Now we can position it like that, and then rotate it vertically to finish the vertical compass calibration as well. And as you can see, the calibration went successfully. I've calibrated my compass well enough, and now all that is left to do is to restart the drone to complete calibration. In order to restart the drone, power it off by pressing the power button twice, or should I say press it once, then press it the second time and hold the button. The drone is switched off, and power it back on by doing the same identical manipulation. So press the power button once, then second time, and hold it until the drone is enabled. And well, as far as this little video goes, that'll be it. So should you have any further questions, leave them in the comment section below. But as for now, thanks for watching, and bye bye.